back. Today I'm gonna show you how to make a mango michelada, a super refreshing cocktail for this summer. Now I'm gonna leave the recipe in the description for you. All right, let's get started. All right, so for this drink we're gonna need clamato, chamoy, tajin, maggi seasoning, fresh mango, sugar, salt, some fresh lime, and of course your favorite beer. I got Modelo here. Now in a blender I'm gonna put mango, clamato, alright, so for the chili paste we're gonna need tajin, sugar, and chamoy. Now we're gonna mix it. Now we're gonna put tajin in another plate. Alright, so I'm gonna dip it first on the chili paste. Then I'm gonna dip it in tajin. Alright, let's build this drink. We're gonna start by putting some lime juice, maggi seasoning, pinch of salt, a bar spoon of the chili paste that we made, the mango puree we made. Mix it. And we're gonna add the beer. I'm gonna mix it a little bit. And we're ready to garnish. And that's how you make the mango michelada. Alright, if you guys like the video, give me some thumbs up. And if you want to learn how to make more cocktails like this, hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. And as always, until the next one, cheers!